3-burner propane gas grill with side burner, 34,000 BTU stainless steel barbecue grill, heavy-duty porcelain enameled grates for patio and outdoor cooking. Upgrade your outdoor cooking experience with a 3-burner propane gas grill with side burner, a premium stainless steel barbecue grill engineered for exceptional performance, durability, and convenience. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, preparing a family dinner on the patio, or cooking during a camping trip, this versatile propane gas grill delivers the power and reliability you need for delicious results every time. Designed with powerful 34,000 BTU output for perfect grilling, this propane grill features 3 high-performance stainless steel main burners combined with a 10,500 BTU side burner, providing impressive heat distribution for every cooking style. From perfectly seared steaks and juicy burgers to slow-cooked ribs and grilled vegetables, you'll enjoy consistent cooking performance across the entire grilling surface. The integrated temperature gauge with a 0 to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit range allows you to monitor heat levels accurately, giving you complete control over every meal. Whether you're grilling at home or taking it on outdoor adventures, this gas grill is built to handle it all. Crafted with premium stainless steel construction, this barbecue grill is made to withstand the elements while maintaining its sleek appearance. The durable stainless steel body resists rust and corrosion, making it an excellent choice for year-round outdoor use. The heavy-duty porcelain enameled cooking grates provide excellent heat retention while creating a naturally non-stick surface that prevents food from sticking and makes cleanup much easier. This combination of premium materials ensures long-lasting durability and dependable grilling performance season after season. Every detail has been designed with convenience in mind through its smart design with convenient features. The spacious side shelf offers additional prep space while featuring integrated hidden tool hooks that keep grilling utensils organized and within easy reach. A built-in SUS 304 stainless steel bottle opener adds extra convenience for entertaining guests, while the stylish SUS 304 control knob bezels provide enhanced corrosion resistance and a premium modern finish. These thoughtful features help create a more enjoyable and efficient outdoor cooking experience. Cleaning up after a barbecue has never been easier thanks to the effortless cleanup with rear draw grease system. The innovative rear draw slant grease tray efficiently directs grease and food residue into a removable grease cup, reducing mess and simplifying maintenance. This practical grease management system helps keep the interior cleaner, extends the life of your grill, and allows you to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals with family and friends. Built for versatility, this grill is versatile and ready for any outdoor occasion. The double-layer hood helps retain heat for more consistent cooking while protecting food from changing weather conditions. Its generous cooking surface easily accommodates multiple burgers, steaks, chicken, vegetables, seafood, and more, making it ideal for both small family meals and larger gatherings. Smooth rolling wheels provide easy mobility, allowing you to position the grill wherever you need it, whether on your patio, deck, backyard, campsite, or tailgating event. Combining powerful performance, premium stainless steel construction, practical storage solutions, and hassle-free maintenance, the 3-burner propane gas grill with side burner is the perfect choice for anyone seeking a reliable, high-quality outdoor cooking solution. Whether you're an experienced grill master or just getting started, this heavy-duty propane barbecue grill offers everything you need to create flavorful meals and unforgettable outdoor memories.